My name is Ron Williams. I am CEO and founder of ÜFORIA Science. And everybody wants to know what ÜFORIA Science is. It starts in a lab, world-class lab, Hippa and CLIA certified, which means they operate at the highest standards of quality and efficacy, as well as the highest standards of security. Your information will never be seen or sold by anyone but you. And from the lab, they measure what are called your genetic SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphisms, which really we inherit from our parents, and they tell us a lot about genetic variants and what we might be susceptible to in our overall life and our health. And what's cool is once the results come out of the lab, there's an intellectual property, a software that has been pioneered by some of the best minds on the planet with DNA. And what happens is your information goes through that sophisticated software and it produces a name, your name, and a barcode. Then the miracle happens. That name and barcode are then scanned by what we've called the nutritionator, and the nutritionator will make your very own designer nutrition using nearly 100 plant-based, peer-reviewed ingredients just for you. So we find this to be extremely fascinating. We call that product nutrition. It comes with your name on the label. So what's happening now is people are seeing this movement into DNA. You know, your DNA is your authority on nutrition. So everybody wants in. The problem is they're mimicking the message by saying, here's a DNA test, which is fantastic, by the way. And then they're just using pre-labeled, prefabbed, pre-made product off of someone's shelf using blind nutrition. So instead of doing a DNA test and blind nutrition, and here, go eat this, and go to the grocery store and buy that, and go to the health food store and buy this, I mean, that's a lot of stress and legwork. So what ÜFORIA does is it removes all the legwork, removes all the guesswork, and it puts in the palm of your hand your very own nutrition. You know, I've had a few nights to sleep on this vision and this technology, and I think ÜFORIA has the potential to become, to supplement companies, what Amazon has become to retail outlets. I think there'll come a day when our children's children will say, hey, you mean you guys used to use all the same nutrition for everyone? You know? So I think that this is the future. It's inevitable, and we're leading this future today. So clearly this is also, you know, a business movement. Talk about an opportunity to be on the ground floor of the future today. Even when it confronts the supplement industry, where will you be at the tipping point? And so this is going to be a business that really demands leadership, but it'll be dominated by customers. The nice thing is we've made it affordable. Actually, the technology has made it efficient and affordable. We did a study that if you went to a health food store and you were to try to replicate your nutrition and buying all the ingredients individually, it could cost upwards of a couple $1,000s. Nutrition is delivered to your door for $159. It's a lifetime of luxury. So this just isn't a new product, it's a complete paradigm shift. Being who we truly are at our core and our identity is life-giving in itself. It's empowering, it's liberating. So at ÜFORIA, being you never felt better.
Your DNA makes you unique. You have one genetic code, only one body. You don't need everybody's nutritional supplements. You can have your own. Cut your losses and move on. The days of blind nutrition are over. Your DNA knows exactly what you need, and ÜFORIA delivers it. Welcome to your very own designer nutrition. We're all potentially susceptible to certain physical ailments based on variations in our genes passed down from our parents. These genetic variations are called SNPs, or single nucleotide polymorphisms. We aren't able to eliminate SNPs from our DNA, but we can do something about them. We can take action to optimize our physical health. It begins with a simple DNA test. Swab the inside of your cheek and mail your sample to ÜFORIA's state-of-the-art laboratory partner for analysis. Strict Hippa guidelines are always followed, so your information remains confidential and secure. Based on your DNA results, a one-of-a-kind nutritional formula is created just for you. This is your very own nutrition, designed from peer-reviewed plant-based ingredients plus vitamins and minerals. With so many high-quality ingredients and so many of us, every formula is truly unique. Each custom formula is one out of nearly 400 million possible combinations. And while your nutrition is being customized, you can immediately begin to make your health a habit. Every Euphoria starter kit not only comes with a DNA test, it also includes a pre-trition formula. This is a mild and gentle cleanse. It also supports the body's preparation for the optimal Euphoria experience. The pre-trition formula contains a robust combination of quality active ingredients, including AC11, frankincense, and astaxanthin. Pre-trition gives your body a fresh start. You'll be prepared when your customized nutrition arrives, which takes approximately 2 to 4 weeks, delivered right to your door. You'll receive a 30-day supply of your customized formula, along with a detailed action plan that explains what you need to know about your SNPs. Staying on track to meet your nutritional needs for the rest of your life has never been easier. You can receive your customized designer nutrition delivered to your door every month, all for less than the cost of buying the nutritional ingredients separately. Finally, everyone's unique biology meets one-of-a-kind technology. Your DNA is talking, and Euphoria gives your body a voice. The benefits of Euphoria start with your pre-trition formula and a simple DNA test included in your UStart kit. Pre-trition is a 30-day supply. You'll want to begin taking it right away so as to optimize your body for when you order your one-of-a-kind Nutrition formula. The first step to designing your personalized nutrition is to go to ustart.com and register your UStart kit serial number. Be sure to have your credit card number available to process the one-time lab testing payment and to have on file for your customized nutrition. It's also important to note that the lab requires your permission to perform the analysis of your DNA test. Using the online consent form, provide your consent as part of the UStart registration process. Next, remove one DNA swab stick from the packaging. Swab the inside of only one cheek in a circular motion vigorously for 10 seconds while supporting the outside of your cheek. Place the swab stick inside the black sterile envelope. Remove the second swab stick and swab the opposite cheek in the same manner as you did when swabbing the first cheek. Swabbing both the right and left cheeks separately assures the lab has a viable DNA sample. Place the second swab stick inside the black sterile envelope and secure the seal. Place the black sterile envelope inside the white mailing envelope. Postage is prepaid. Finally, put your sample in the mail. That's it. From there, your sample is sent to our testing lab. Our lab follows strict Hippa guidelines in addition to being CLIA certified, so when your sample arrives, your information always remains private and secure. In approximately 7 to 10 days after the sample is received at the lab, you will receive a secure link in your email with your DNA results. If you've opted into AutoShip, your credit card will be processed and your personalized formula will be generated. If you've not opted for AutoShip yet, simply pay for your first month's supply. Whichever option you choose, 10 to 14 days after your order is processed, your one-of-a-kind DNA-inspired nutrition will be delivered right to your door. It's that easy. Congratulations! You're on your way to making your health a habit. Welcome to Euphoria.
When you receive your Euphoria Wellness Action Plan, you'll notice under your personal genetic assessment results that you have your SNPs and whether you are green, yellow, or red. Green means negative. That means you did not get a SNP or variant from either one of your parents. Yellow means you got a SNP from one parent or variant from one parent and not the other. Red means you got a variant from each parent. Your Euphoria Wellness Action Plan is the foundation for your one-of-a-kind, personalized, unique nutrition.
If you could have seen my face, I swear I probably looked like that big-eyed emoji. It was so spot on, I almost cried. I was shocked.
It was simple to read, easy to understand, and no, I didn't need a doctor there to decipher the information that was in there.
It was like I want to say like the coordinates to my destination of health.
The secrets of our DNA are being revealed.
I have 7 green, 8 yellow, and 3 red.
I have 7 yellows.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8 yellows.
5 green.
I have 4 greens.
9 greens.
2 reds.
3 reds.
4 red. I have 6 reds.
This is the future of my healthcare. This is my future of staying healthy.
Your Euphoria Wellness Action Plan is a powerful resource for understanding the results of the Euphoria DNA test. It's the foundation for creating your very own one-of-a-kind customized nutrition formula. 35 pages identifies which genetic SNPs or single nucleotide polymorphisms you possess, along with a detailed explanation of how these SNPs could potentially impact your health. While you can never change your DNA, there are some genes you can take action on by modifying your diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle. Your own nutrition formula plays a key role in the action you're now able to take, and reading your genetic assessment within the Wellness Action Plan is easy. A green result signifies that you don't have that particular SNP. A yellow result means you inherited that SNP from one parent. And a red result means you inherited that SNP from both your mother and your father. In addition, contained within every explanation of each SNP is a recommendation for nutrients that can assist you in counteracting the potential effects of your SNPs. These are the ingredients that you can benefit from that are included in your personalized nutrition formula.
It connected all of the dots for me.
But now that I'm getting the raw materials that I need to address those things, I'm more excited than ever.
No more guessing, no more stressing, no more wondering, no more Googling, no more listening to every person telling me what I needed.
What we have in our hands right now is going to change the healthcare of our children and our grandchildren, and I'm grateful.
And now when people ask me why I'm taking my nutrition, I can easily say, because my body told me so.
Knowing your SNPs is the very first step to a lifetime of wellness, and your personalized nutrition paves the way. Welcome to Euphoria.